Let's jump into this explainer and see how the Excaliber HUB completely transforms your messy landscaping projects. Seriously, aren't you exhausted by the total chaos of juggling contractors for your backyard renovations? Enter the Excaliber Business Hub. It's a unified ecosystem built to completely eliminate those massive project headaches. By uniting trusted pros with top-tier products, the Hub streamlines everything, from your first idea to completion. This end-to-end integration, it saves you serious time, slashes your costs, and totally fast-tracks your project. Let's start with the core. These locally manufactured, precision-engineered concrete sleepers are literally built for a lifetime. They come in extended lengths up to 2.3 meters and perfectly slot right into standard ColorBond fences. Plus, you get a massive variety of stunning, textured finishes. Think classic flagstone or elegant sandstone. It's not just flat walls either. Look how beautifully these stacker stone sleepers integrate straight into entryway stairs. To guarantee a totally flawless finish, they offer matching post covers to cleverly hide any ugly steel supports. You can even boost your home's street appeal with perfectly matched concrete letterboxes and super elegant piers. Get seamless lawn transitions and perfectly structured beds using their integrated sandstone garden edging. It's so clean. Want total control? Grab their no-color sleepers and customize them yourself using tinted, matte, or gloss sealants. The Hub also brings together premium suppliers. You get access to AeroTurf and Misty Pools, too. But the absolute best part? Immediate access to official factory-accredited installers to perfectly execute your vision. The process is effortlessly simple. Pick your premium materials, customize your aesthetic, and instantly hire an accredited pro. Why settle for chaotic sourcing when you can have a unified, beautifully structured landscaping experience instead? So what stunning outdoor sanctuary will you build now that the Excaliber HUB is right at your fingertips?